Hey, so today is the end of day 5, and I am super excited, and I'm super proud of myself, I must say. Yesterday was a really hard day, to be honest with you. Day 4, that was my last day of just, full master cleanse revamp with the lemonade, and I just had a lot of energy and I wasn't hungry. It was just my body was saying, I could feel my body saying like, okay, you either gonna have to drink more or the concoction or whatever the case may be. So honestly, today when I woke up, I was 10.2 pounds down. So I was super excited about that. But I went in that kitchen and I went and had a bowl of my magic miracle soup, and it was so good. I felt like a starving kid in Africa. I'm not gonna lie. I'm serious. I was so happy to eat that, and I had like a really small portion. And today I probably had about two to four cups of that soup, and then I had the normal concoction that I make. I'm gonna do a full video on exactly how I make the concoction and everything. But 10.2 pounds in 4 days. Oh my gosh! And today is, of course, the full end of the 5th day, so I won't know the full uh thing into the morning. But when I got on the scale today, it was still really good. I'm super excited. Now, usually when I was doing just a concoction at night it will be either less or about the same weight. But usually, normally when you're eating regularly at night is the highest weight. So it's best to wait in the morning. That's why I say in the morning. Yesterday morning, day 4, officially did the full revamp, and I'll show the concoction that I did. 10.2 pounds down, so I'm super excited. I'm super proud of myself. My stomach, my stomach and my face, you can see it in my stomach and my face and my skin. Like, I don't have any makeup on, but my stomach, like, look at my stomach, y'all. Like, what stomach? What the freaking heck, y'all? Like, I love that. Like, I'm shrinking. So I feel very good. 10.2 pounds. That's so fast. And so my birthday is in exactly 15 days. So I'm gonna do the revamp, but I'm gonna do the soup. I'm gonna do the soup. I'm gonna eat that soup with the concoction and the lemonade. Um I'm just really ecstatic. I know for a fact I'm just gonna be completely snatched. It's just crazy. I'm just really excited that I found something that works for me, and that was a really good cleanse. I learned how to really appreciate food. I really honor and appreciate food now. Like, it's not, my whole mindset feels like a complete shift. My spirit and everything. Today I kind of got more rest and stuff. Let my body get used to everything. But I love the results. I love how my skin looks. I love how my stomach is shrinking. I love uh, how good I feel. My confidence is through the roof because you can't tell me nothing now. Like, I feel like I'm already at my goal weight, like snatch and all that stuff. Like, my body, it looks so amazing. I'm like, do I really want to lose any more weight? But I love it. I love it. So if you're looking for something that give you super fast results, when you order from me, I'll give you a email of exactly what to do, exactly how to make the recipe, exactly how to make the concoction, exactly what I did to lose 10.2 pounds in 4 full days. So tomorrow, day 5, today is the end of day 5. I'll know exactly how much I fully lost. Plus, I ate the soup this time. The other days, I did not eat the soup. But in the first, when I first did the products by itself with the soup, it took me 2 weeks to lose 10 pounds. So the way that I did it this time to lose that weight that fast, I'm going to email it to you. If you order from weightlossfruitpunch.com, you can get the weight loss lemonade. You can get the Be Keto that put your body in ketosis. You can get the pills. You're going to get the tea that I use, but I made it taste like literal Kool-Aid when I make it. So that gave me so much life, and the products definitely saved my life. Have been I would not have been able to get even this far without those products. I already know. I already know. So today what I did was I did the syrup concoction with the lemon and the weight loss lemonade. 3 of those concoctions with the cayenne pepper, Master Cleanse Revamp. And then I had about 4 cups of the miracle soup. Okay, and I feel so good. I feel so happy, and man, I feel great. So that's what I did on day 5. The rest of the 4 days, I just did the concoction, 3 of those concoctions with the products that saved my life. And like I said, once I get to like day 10 or something, I'm gonna do the full show you what I did with the concoction. But like I said, if you order the acceleration kit, you're gonna get you can actually do 4 payments if you get that acceleration kit, if you check out with Sezzle on weightlossfruitpunch.com. So you get the discount, you get the 10K per month blueprint. And I'm about to start showing people how to flip their money $1,000 a day. I'm super excited to release that, $1,000 to $2,700 plus a day. I'm gonna be releasing that. So like I said, if you want to do what I'm doing, I recommend that you get that snatched accelerated kit first, and then I'm gonna show you how to flip it to $1,000 to $2,700 a day if you're interested in that. Or you can just take the products and get skinny in 2 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever the case may be, and just have more confidence and be more proud of yourself, and just look good, feel good, skin good. Like I said, I don't got on no makeup right now. My skin is popping, I must say. I love it. I love it. So it's the middle of the night. I'm getting ready to lay my butt down, and congratulations in advance. I'm excited for everybody. All right, have a great day. Day 5 complete. Go Dominique. Go YouTube. Bye.